Super job, Allison. Thank you so much. Very timely, and I love your thought leadership in this space. Next, we're going to hear from Humaira Izadi. Humaira is going to speak about how to slow down the process of aging. Humaira is a doctor. Dr. Izadi is a medical doctor with 25 years of experience across different fields in medicine. Her main passion is anti-aging medicine and the science of reversing the aging process. Dr. Izadi, your turn.
Thank you. So I want to talk about the aging process today. Is aging a disease? Should we treat aging? And is there any way to slow down, stop, or reverse the process of aging? The answer is yes. Many medical conditions in the past were not considered diseases, such as osteoporosis. Only in 1994, WHO classified osteoporosis as a disease, and now we have a code for it. And on July 2nd, 2018, WHO classified aging as a disease and designed a code for that. Why is it important? Is because when we consider aging as a disease, treatment of aging should be covered by insurance companies. So it will not be just a choice for wealthy people, but all average people can get the treatment and benefit from that. And also in a long run, insurance companies and taxpayers also benefit, because we spend billions of dollars on treating and managing the side effects of aging at this point, and we can save a lot of money that way. There are 5 countries actively working on this project: the United States, UK, Australia, Singapore, and Israel. And only in the US, there are more than 40 high-tech companies actively working on identifying the genes of aging, how the process goes, and how to treat that. Scientists had a lot of success increasing the lifespan in the lab on yeast, mice, and worm up to 70%. And in some cases, they were able to reverse the process of aging. So there is a lot of hope. There are identified genes, and there are a lot of companies working on finding the treatment. Just to name a few companies, many of those companies are actually in Silicon Valley, like Bach Institute is one of 9 branches of Glenn Foundation for Medical Research, and it's working exclusively on aging. And SamuMed is another company. BioAge Labs is another company, just recently had a contract with a Japanese institution to find actually a pill to treat the aging process and, slow down the aging process and treat aging. There are also a lot of credible clinical trials going on. Just one example is TAME, T-A-M-E. It's a clinical trial run by Mayo Clinic to find out if metformin can be used as the treatment for aging, because metformin works on one of the genes called AMPK, and there is hope that it would be the medication to treat aging. So I was trying to summarize what I wanted to talk about, but since we have very limited time, I refer you to read my article. It will be on my website in September. And in that article, I explain what are the genes of the aging and what are the current treatments available to slow down the process of aging. Thank you.